Once again, you've fallen down the toy tube. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am super excited today. I just got back from the mailbox, and we are going to be unpackaging a package from Kraken Fingerboards. I've been waiting for this for a couple months now. And yeah, I don't think I can wait any longer. Let's see what I got. See if I can remember everything I got. Oh man, look at this. Kraken Baker Tribute 32 millimeter. Oh man. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, I can't even honestly wait to see what else is in this package. Let's just check this beautiful thing out. Nice. We got some stickers, some Kraken Fingerboard stickers. Ooh. I like the feel of the tape. Probably not FBS quality, but it feels nice. Grippy, little cushion. Oh man, I've been waiting. I have been waiting for this for so long, it feels like. Oh, it's so look at the black top. And it's got black with one red ply in it. I don't know if you guys can see it from the side. Ooh. Sounds good. Sounds like it was pressed nice. The reason I do that is I like to hear the sound of it, because sometimes I think you can tell if it didn't get a good press job. If they're pressed properly, you get really good pop out of your board. And honestly, it was worth the wait. This feels great. I can't wait to put it together and try it out. Let's see what else I got. I believe it's a complete setup. Alright, and I got yellow 32 millimeter professional trucks. I thought the yellow trucks with the yellow on the board, oh, this deck is gonna pop. It is gonna look so sharp. Very awesome. They look good. They were fairly cheap, so they might be China trucks. But I do know that the China trucks have been getting a lot better, it seems like, lately. So we will definitely try those out and see what we think. And then we have what I've been waiting for the most. These are Kraken KRK G2 Fusions. And the cool thing about these is you get to pick your own colors, and they make to order. So these aren't ones that they had laying around. These are ones that they made just for me. Oh man, I can't wait. Let's get these out of there and see if we can see what they look like. They're a little darker than what I was hoping for. I was hoping for a lighter green. still very nice. They are 60D for the hardness, which makes them medium grippy, I believe. And I've got them in the largest ones that Kraken does, and that was the bowl shape with ABEX 7 bearings. Oh man, I'm excited to put this together, everyone. These wheels look awesome. So cool. Alright, I will be right back. Alright. Let's go ahead and get this guy set up. Alright, let's see how well this works for me. Alright, this one might come out pretty good. Usually my foam grip ones don't come out real great. Alright. We've got some grip. Yeah, so it definitely looks like the trucks have O-ring bushings. Silly little guy, dropped him. Let's see if we can get these started. Alright, I'm going to come back right after I get the trucks done. Well, I can definitely probably guarantee they're China trucks. You can always tell the China trucks because they are kind of a pain to get on. But having put in the work, man, that looks really good. Let's get these wheels on and check it out. Alright guys, there is my new setup from Kraken Fingerboards. Very cool. I'm super excited to get some skating in with this bad boy. Alright, I hope everyone enjoyed this. Definitely like, share, subscribe. It helps the channel more than you know. And I will see you guys next time.